Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here, and one of the biggest releases for 2025, the long-awaited Acuity shifter, the full shifter for the 11th gen Civic, regular, SI, Type R, Integra, and Type S. We're gonna get into the product, unbox it, show you what makes this shifter so amazing, and why it took so long to make this, and why you should go with this. Obviously, Acuity is one of our favorite brands for when it comes to shifting. And we're gonna go over it on the bench. We don't have our 11th gen here at the shop right now because some of the stuff that's getting done to it. But we do have the actual base from the Civic, which we powder coated. So it makes it look even better with the shifter. Something you guys could do totally easy, something we did 2 years ago, and we've been waiting for the shifter since. You know, we installed the 10th gen in our 11th gen almost 3 years ago, the first company in the world to do it. But this is the best way to go. So let's get into the unboxing right now. All right, guys, there it is. The shifter, we've thrown one of our titanium knobs on it just so you can see. Let's get full on into it right now. You can see fully adjustable height here. You've got your different increments of how high you want it. It does come with the base, the solid base bushings. 1 year manufacturer warranty. This is the 11th gen shifter base. What we've done is we've actually powder coated ours for a better look for install, since we run no interior on ours. Everything fits under the stock plastic, so you don't have to worry, but why would you want to hide this beauty? And it just looks unbelievable. Shifter cables come through here and here, attaches to the rocker right here. So the big question a lot of you have had is this center spring section. This shifter comes standard with a medium spring, which is, this is the side-to-side movement. Basically, is it harder or softer? Medium is a great way to start out. Obviously, these are fully adjustable. You can see under here also, this is the throw under here where your cable attaches. We do offer the springs. We've got them up here on the wall. You've got your low preload or your high preload. High obviously being firmer, low being lower. You can add this in the drop down below. I can tell you Acuity have actually ran out of these already. We've got several in stock with us, and would ship out immediately. If they run out of stock real quick, they're due to ship in about 3 weeks anyways. So the best thing is just get your order in. We'll send shipping right away. You can add a knob to it. You can add the little charms to the bottom. There's different upgrades. We also recommend doing the 1881. These are the actual cable bushings, shift linkage. So those go on your transmission. And I'll just give you guys a look of all the features of this shifter and why it's so unique. Obviously, you know, it is a metal frame. It's not plastic. It does look plastic. The powder coating they use is phenomenal on here. And yeah, adjustable height knob, gear throw, gate spacing. The knob, actually, you can also adjust it. You basically adjust it with your nut that comes with the shift knob. I will tell you that all Honda shift knobs will work on this shifter. You don't need an Acuity one. Trying to answer some of the questions on here that you guys might have. But yeah, this thing is beautiful. We've went ahead and mounted it up. And I just wanted to give you guys, you can see they do come left and right hand drive. All of these are left-hand drive. These are for our US customers, Canadian, different countries around the world. If you want a right-hand drive, that would be for like the UK, Australia, Japan. We might add those later. We just didn't want the confusion right off the bat. So yeah, I hope you guys get some orders and support us. Like I said, we've been running the Acuity ones for almost 3 years now on our shop, 11th gen. And finally, the perfect fitting one is out now. So get your order in. I'll leave a link below. Till next time.